Today we are doing a science experiment. This is the underwater volcano eruption. Inside here we have citric acid, and we have our water right here. Pretty sure you all know what happens with citric acid in water. So, let's see what happens. Well, not all of you, obviously, if you're here watching this, but yeah. See what happens. There it goes. So what's happening is the citric acid is reacting with the water. Basically, citric acid is the stuff that you use in bath bombs. Or for that one kid in Ukraine, seasoning. Sorry, that was a little rude. Dude did die, but as you can see here, it's, well, a volcano. Obviously, this is not how real volcanoes work. Can't quite exactly replicate that in real life. We don't have that kind of technology yet. Unless we were to actively blow up a volcano, but that's about it. But this is the smallest scale, the closest thing we can get to an actual volcano eruption on a small scale. If it were a real eruption, then this tank wouldn't hold up. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but the water is actually getting redder and redder. Now, this is exactly what citric acid does to water. It colors it, basically. It dissolves and colors it. Although I can see it's not coming through on the camera very well. So, get a closer look. See that stuff right there? That's citric acid floating up out of the water. It's all over the place. To me, this water is like red. But to you guys, it's not. But you can see all of that. Some of those are air bubbles, yes, but most of that is citric acid. And you can actually see a little better. See how it shoots straight up to the surface? Beautiful. You see those air bubbles coming up? That's just the gas being released from the citric acid. There's gaps in between the powder that are full of air, and the inside of the volcano is still full of air. So it's gonna, yeah. Now the water is getting progressively more and more red, but it doesn't come through on the camera. That's because water is a transparent substance. Look at it shoot out. Did you see that? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, it's picking up now. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, whoa, look at all that. Look at it go. Sometimes you get really, really cool things like that to happen. Look at that. Wonderful. Look at, oh yeah, that's picking up now. Now this is the climax of the eruption.